Instant bidding success. How do I estimate paint jobs? Hi, this is Lee Cusano from bidlikeapro.com. Using my system, anyone new to running their own painting business is guaranteed to make way better money than I did when I first started out, if they know how to estimate. You see, I had no system in place on how to estimate interior or exterior paint jobs. It took quite a while for me to figure it all out. Today I can estimate any project with confidence and guarantee myself maximum profits. It's all revealed in detail and with actual on-the-job color photos when you order your copy of the Bid Like a Pro estimating system. Whether estimating interior or exterior, this manual gives you all the knowledge needed to bid any project fast and accurately, plus how to get all the business you can handle as well. Please visit my website and get my free report titled How to Quit Your Day Job and Double or Triple Your Income This Week. That's at bidlikeapro.com, or you can click the About tab under this video for my website link. Thank you.